Good day, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the topic known as algebra, right? This tends to be a topic that gives students a lot of challenge, mainly because in this topic you will see letters, right? So let's just take a look quickly at some questions I have here, right? So simplify the following. 2x plus 4x gives us 6x, right? When a student is looking at this question and they see a letter, they tend to get confused, right? I just want you to recognize that the letter or the letters that you will see in this topic, it just refers to any number in the world. So you will see in textbooks, you will hear teachers talk about x is a variable, right? It is an unknown value. This 2x means 2 multiplied by x. This 4x means 4 multiplied by x. Or this 2x is x plus x, which gives you 2x. So if we are adding 2x and 4x, we will get 6x, right? If you have 2 apples and then you have 4 apples again, overall you would have 6 apples, right? That's just one of the analogies that I use just to help students understand adding algebraic terms, right? So we can only add terms that are exactly the same. If this was 2x plus 4y, we would not be able to add to get 6xy or 6yx or anything like that. Because this has a variable x, this has a variable x, we can add the numbers together and just attach the variable to it. So in our next question, 3k plus 7k will give you 10k. Both variables are exactly the same. The unknown letter is k, the unknown number is k, right? So 3k plus 7k will give you 10k. And in our third question, 4t minus 10t will give us minus 60. So we know that 4 minus 10 will give us minus 6. They both contain the same variable, which is t. Our answer is minus 60. Something to note here is that your answer must give the exact variable, right? So look at my letters. This was a common x. My answer included a common x. These were common k's. My answer included common k. In our third question, the t is a capital T. So my answer must be minus 6 capital T. I cannot put a common T, right? It could mean different things, right? Let's continue. So again, we have 3 questions here where we are being asked to simplify the following questions. This time, I have attached the variable with indices, right? So x squared plus x squared will give us 2x squared. This 2, as we know, is x to the power 2. 2 is the power or the index or the exponent. If you are adding x squared plus x squared, you will get 2x squared. Think about x squared as a variable, x squared as a variable again. You will get 2x squared. You just add. This x squared is like 1x squared. The 1x squared is understood. The 1 is understood in front of the x squared, right? Second question, 3k squared plus 3k cubed plus 7k cubed gives us 10k cubed. Similar to our first question. They both have variables or unknowns, k cubed, right? And our last one, m squared minus 3m squared will give us minus 2m squared. Minus 3, and then we have 1 in front here. 1 minus 3 gives you 2. Sorry, minus 2. So your answer, minus 2m squared. Take a look at it. And in our final 3 questions, again, we are being asked to simplify the following. X plus y will give us x plus y. We cannot get xy. It can all be x multiplied by y. We can only add variables that are the same. They must be exactly the same. Take a look at our second question. 2D plus 7P plus 3D. The D's are the same, so we can add them. 3 plus 2 is 5D, and our 7P must be added separately. We cannot add 7 plus 2 is 9 and 3, 10. Many students will just add the numbers. That is incorrect. We only add the terms that have the variable being the same, right? So we only add 3D to 2D. We can't add D to anything else, right? And in our final question, 4H minus 5J minus 8H. The H's, we see that they are the same here. So we can add or subtract them together. 4H minus 8H will give us minus 4H. And our minus 5J remains. These are some good practice questions. You can look at the video again and try your best to do them on your own and just look back and see if you get it correct. That will be all for today. Remember, like and subscribe. Until next time.